So one problem I've had with my Tuareg is with the turn signal switch. I've had this full of sand multiple times. You can see all I do is ride in the sand pretty much. And the bike takes the falls really well. It's a strong bike, but one time I took this apart, something went flying, I guess a spring, something that made the indicator pop back out. And at one point I did replace it with a spring, but it's giving me troubles again. See if I can open it up again. And of course you can't just buy that one part. You need to spend $200, $300, $400 for this whole unit. And I don't want to do that, obviously. I just bought a bunch of springs, tried miscellaneous ones, and it's still not perfect. What else did I have to do? I think it was just this guy now, and then this pops apart. I think. You know I don't have the right tools. That'll do. I think that's it. Doesn't feel like that's it. Some more. Maybe the first one didn't have to come off at all. Helps me rotate it though. Don't really want to lose these little guys. Ooh. Okay. So then that gets you, yeah, that gets me into this unit. Full sand again. Not as bad as I've had in the past, but definitely sandy. And then, how did I take this whole unit off? You can see the clear stuff in there. That is where there's some springs for this mechanism. See, it works fine now, but at least for releasing straight out, but left to right, those springs aren't quite the right ones. This itself can get bent, and then when you close it, there's friction. So a few more little screws, we'll get at this and take from these miscellaneous screws that cost about $8, or springs. See if we can make something work a bit better again. Clean up this sand. I might have to make some sort of gasket, figure out something so to prevent sand from coming in here and causing this problem over and over.